In 2026, AI won't replace the best leaders, but leaders who ignore human skills may replace themselves. Think about when AI can analyze data, write reports, schedule meetings, and even make recommendations and faster than any human. What will make you indispensable as a leader? Stay with me because the answer may completely change the way you lead your team. I am Krishna Suresh, a human centric leadership coach, and I have been in this training and coaching industry for the last 12 years. We are entering to the era of new technology is advancing at lightning speed, whether you agree or not. Ironically, the most intelligent machines becomes the more valuable human qualities become. The future doesn't belong to leaders who simply manage only technology. It belongs to leaders who know how to inspire people. It's a great challenge. I am not denying the fact. Let's face reality. Today, leaders aren't dealing with just one challenge, they are balancing many. AI transformed jobs, hybrid and remote teams are becoming the norms of today's. Employees expect flexibility, burnout are increasing. Mental well being are becoming a business priority in today's condition. Five generations now work together under one roof, and information challenges almost every day. Technology can automate tasks, but it cannot build a trust boss. It cannot comfort a stressed employee. It cannot resolve emotional conflict. It cannot inspire someone gives their best. This is exactly why leadership is changing and it is becoming a challenge. Question is no longer how well you do you manage the work. It becoming how well do you understand people. The human centric, the human nature is embedded. That is what is expected from all of us. Psychological safety is the other pattern which is looked into. The great ideas don't come from fear. That was told by one of the doyens or from the field of behavioral science. They come from the environment when people feel safe and they speak about, ask questions, admit mistakes, innovate. Better leaders create conversation. Two-person, see, it is not be about it's a personalized growth. Every employee has different strength, dreams, and motivation. Stop managing everyone the same day. Don't micromanage. It is a coach individuals. Help people to discover their unique potential. People don't leave companies. They don't leave companies. They often leave managers or leaders who never invested in them. See, there was empathy with accountability. Empathy isn't being soft, it is understanding before deciding. It's listening before judging. It is supporting people while maintaining high standards. The strongest leader balances compassion with accountability. That's where the real performance begins. See, I can give you an illustration or an example for you to understand much better. Say two companies both invested on AI tools, both have similar budgets for AI tools, both hire talented people. One leader focus only on technology, and other invest equally on emotional intelligence, all the human skills, coaching, trust, and collaboration. 6 months later, the first team experienced burnout. The innovation slows, people quietly resigns. The second team embraces challenges and the change. Employees openly share ideas, they adapt faster. Customer notice difference. The technology was identical, the leadership wasn't identical, it was different. The competitive advantage wasn't AI, it was the human behind the AI. It was embedded. As we are moved the end of 2026, remember this. We are in the mid of 2026. Technology will continue evolving. Every week AI is evolving. Human values never go out of fashion. Trust, empathy, purpose, resilience. These are the qualities that build extraordinary organization. The future belongs to leaders who lead people and not just processes. It has never been led. I would like to hear from what your biggest leadership. I would like to hear from you. What is the biggest leadership which you have faced? Share it in the comments. Let's dive in more into this. Follow me for more. I am holding a webinar on human-centric leadership on the 22nd August. Given the link below. If it resonates well with you, attend my webinar and see what best you could learn from there. Thank you.